So those are going to be the big ones really to track. But the Nifty headed in for a 0.5% sort of uptick. The rates will just come up for you on your screens. L&T Technologies came out with an inline set of operating performance in the third quarter, highest ever large deal bookings. Look out for what that stock does in trade. HDFC Life, the Q3 numbers are above estimates. They've retained their VNB and APE growth guidance as well. Happiest Minds, which has collaborated with Coca-Cola Vietnam for a general AI conversational interface. RVNL, lowest bidder for financing of a 3,167 crore rupee project in Jharkhand. Minda Corp, they're saying that the combined entity will now grow about 10 to 12% in the overall size. They're going to deliver growth plans organically. That stock holding higher by about almost 1.25%. Hitachi Energy, look out for what that as well does, because they're looking at a sizable fundraise, as we understand, on Jan 18th via various routes, 2.5% higher for Hitachi Energy. Other than that, of course, there's IRFC as well. They've signed lease agreement with NTPC. So that's another stock which is going to be in focus. Transrail has come out with a decent set of earnings. CEAT, though, has seen a margin decline of 380 basis points, EBITDA downtick of over 18%. So that's the other stock which is in focus as well. And I want to see what the Adani Group stocks are doing. Once again, you are seeing momentum hold through on the Adani Group of names. That entire pack has been quite a buzz for the last two trading sessions now, and it's no different today as well. Let's check in on what banks are up to. The entire pack will just come up for you on your screens, especially the large cap ones perhaps. They may be seeing some more momentum, and that entire pack is up on your screens right now. And you're holding okay. Axis, of course, is due to report its numbers as well today. But that pack is looking fairly okay as we speak right now. Remember, we just reported to you that the RBI is going to be conducting daily VRR from today, and that's going to ease some liquidity tightness and perhaps impact the currency as well. So some bit of green definitely on the banks. They are the ones which are leading forward.
Yeah, I just want to reiterate the kind of move that we are seeing on HDFC Life and L&T Tech, because they have managed to perk up further. There's a gain of 7 to 8% on both of these stocks. L&T Tech is a bit of a surprise for me, given the fact that the guidance upgrade was led by purely inorganic move, but nonetheless, it's flowing into the EPS one way or the other. So that stock is higher by 8%. You have Paytm, that upgrade coming in from MK, which is the stock which is up almost 6% right now. Zomato is the other one, wherein the brokerage action has been quite strong. So that stock is higher by around 4%. And then, of course, you have individual names coming in from the Adani Group, and SBI Life actually seeing a bit of a reaction with HDFC Life. So that stock too is higher. Some of these names deserve mention. On the losing side, yeah, it's CEAT and Devyani, which is lower. Thermax has been a funny case of late, one day up, one day down. So just watching out for some of these names in the trading session. So overall, looks like a good start for the markets. It's a broader market strength that really deserves mention. And of course, Bank Nifty doing quite okay, given the kind of, the VRR status coming in. Just wanted to highlight the sugar stocks as well, Praj, Balrampur, etc., because that news on ethanol is definitely having a positive impact. So Dhampur Sugar, etc., all are up anywhere between 5 to 10%. Dwarikesh, Awadh Sugar. So some of these names from the sugar pack, Shrishti, are also fairly active.
Certainly, great start for the markets then, and key to note is that no single stock in the Nifty 50 is down over 1% right now. Let's see how the day pans out, but a lot of cheer across the market. But with this, let's move on and let's also get the first rate ideas from both of our experts. And Naresh, help us with the stocks that are looking attractive just at the start, because it was GM Financial that you highlighted a while back, and that stock is doing well. But other than that, which are the trades that are looking good to you?
So, looking at Biocon, this is a stock which would structurally break out going forward. So 385 to 375 remains a buying zone for the stock.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.